Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is another episode of the Auction Review Rover series. It's been a while because there hasn't been that much interesting trucks to talk about. The market has just kind of been flooded with garbage, and most of these trucks are garbage, but it has to be a particular type of either interesting garbage or overpriced garbage to get my attention, and this one definitely got my attention after a quick run through. This is what we like to see. It's a hopeless romantic story of a Rover that will probably never sell, but that makes it catchy. So let's dive directly into this steaming turd. This lovely truck with good paint. Remember what I say a lot: don't ever trust trucks with good paint. This one hails from upstate New York, which should be the first giveaway of the theme of this video. 99 Land Rover D2, no CDL. It's listed as green. It is a one-owner truck in a very pretty driveway, listed for around $4,200 or $4,300. Not that much money, not high miles, but it's listed with an engine problem. Also listed as a misfire. So let me get this. $3,400. That's still probably going to be too much once you see the condition of this truck. Red light, as is, engine problem. I do want to note that the seller is very clear about the description of the issues that this truck has, except for one minor thing that is actually extremely major. It says there's multiple misfires, it has an engine problem, maybe not the end of the world, but in a D2 4-liter, that usually leads to the inevitable. What else is noted? Normal bumps and bruises that are, in line with a 20-year-old vehicle. So this is green. It doesn't look green. There's a larger dent on the back. It's in someone's driveway. I don't know if it's an independent dealer or they've got multiple things listed, but it kind of looks like a college kid's ex-car or, one of the trucks that's just kicking around in someone's driveway for a while, which is normally something you want to buy. Oh, wait, 94,000 miles. I forgot. So, yeah, low mileage, one owner, has paint, upstate New York. It's got a lot of things going for it, honestly. There's that huge dent that I mentioned in those D2 blind spot. It's got all the right stickers and stuff for a fun, northern truck that's kicked around on the beach most of his life. Taking a spin around, so far looks promising and not a terrible deal for a sub 100,000 mile truck. Getting into the details a little bit more, we look at these running boards and they are sagging, and those running boards don't sag because they are old. That is a prime, warning sign that there might be hiding something under where those things mount. They rust out. Those beams that hold it to the frame rust out first, or second. Well, all D2s rust out, but the drooping running board should be the first sign that there will be more to come in this little saga. Same thing on the other side. They get full of rust and those bolts just kind of come apart. So checking out the inside, sure, looks fine. You got some seat covers and stuff. I don't know, what the full purpose of that was. And here we go. Here's where it gets fun. That is a crusty frame. That is not rusty. That is crusty. That is unseasonably dry, and it looks like it's a Midwest truck that's just started to rot. It looks like it's been sitting. That's like sitting in gravel type of look where, if you drove it in the rain, if you just drove it normally, it wouldn't look as crusty as that. That's not a truck that has lived a very good life underneath. First sign, right? Check engine light. I'm sure it's running hot. Misfires. There will be a running video, but the misfires don't usually present themselves at idle all the time, at least on the trucks that I've played with. Sunroof's open. Look at that. Sunroof's open. 4 rows, rear entertainment, and a frame looks like it's been at the bottom of the sea for about 15 years. And here we go. This is probably the worst D2 underframe advertised to, well, it's not advertised to the public, but they are public-facing photos. And that is appalling. That's hilarious. And the fact that it's not really noted in the condition report is unfortunate, but at least they took pictures. So if you're a buyer that's not just simply skimming through, you'll see this. There is no frame there. That is the amount. That is a negative amount of metal, if you want to put it simply. Again, not 100% consistent with the rest of the look, but that is what I was pretty much expecting. It looks like this thing's maybe been backing boats its whole life. It's so bad that it's funny. But everything, even the steering stay, it's like it lived in a pond almost. All the rest, the little dents and dings and stuff like that, nothing too crazy, normal stuff. I mean, what do you guys think of this truck? I'd like to get some feedbacks in the comments. Oh man, I think it's a $400 truck. Here's a running video. It sounds okay. It's got coolant in it, but I'm sure it's hiding additional issues minus those wee things in the rear. And it's just a bit unfortunate that somebody might look at this truck to buy it, I guess. I'm not sure who it is, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out the rest of the videos, leave a comment, share the video, check me out on Instagram, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. We got more to come from the live footage standpoint. I'll be in Europe next week, so there probably won't be any uploads, but hey, that gives you time to buy some turds. So see you on the next episode.